Hey guys, Joe Lavin here with Kelly's Port down at Lake of the Ozarks today. I am showing off one of our Bennington M Series Swingbacks. This one is a 26 and this is a Lake of the Ozarks edition boat. What does that mean, you ask? We've got oversized tunes down below. All the bracing holding that deck to these tunes is actually going to be reinforced. And Bennington on all of these boats actually makes the aluminum thicker than what they do on their normal boats for us down here at Lake of the Ozarks. So pretty sweet. As I hop on, 300 Yamaha here on the back, removable ski tow pylon. Then right here, you're gonna have your Swingback. So this is a nice pad that has a backrest, flips forward and back, and actually lays all the way flat too. So very versatile there. Keeper rail right here, so it is legal to ride back on this pad while you're running down the lake. Carbon fiber arch with your bimini that pops out there. Bennington digital dash. Garmin GPS screen here. Yamaha digital throttle right there. Rockford Fosgate stereo throughout the whole entire boat. Triple threat right here, trash can, table, and a drawer with removable dog dishes right there. Under helm storage, huge center storage, storage underneath all of these seats here. Great layout in this boat. Absolutely killer boat for here at Lake of the Ozarks. Like I said, Kelly's Port down here at Lake of the Ozarks. Come check us out. Let's get you out on one of these great Benningtons on the water, show you how this thing performs.